Okay, everyone. That there is a big giant X sprayed in the sky. All that there is the result of chemtrails. These lines that look like contrails that they spray out of planes and they spread out into a blanket of haze. All that's chemtrail haze. All of that. All of that is chemtrail lines. Contrail lines that spread out into a big blanket of white haze. All lines there. Big ass X there. That's an X. Those are contrails that spread out into that. That's a big X there. That there is a big X there and there, which combines into that one. Okay? If I would have got it earlier, it would have been like that. They spread out. That's not condensation. You'd have to be an idiot. There's two of them side by side. One is a little further along than the one on the left. That is not condensation. You're not going to tell me this is a hot, humid day. And even, I'm not going to listen to people say, oh, that's 70,000 feet up and it's freezing. That's ridiculous. Okay, I want to play. You should watch this and play that song X's and O's. I forgot the singer's name, but X's, blah, 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 he loves me song. The whole sky is filled with chemtrails. And that there is not a contrail, it's not condensation. That's a chemtrail that spreads out into a blanket of haze, okay? You need to wake up and you need to figure out what's going on, okay? You got to have the character to face this and start looking up. It's easy to deny it and then go on about your day. I know. I used to be one of those guys, but it just ain't so. You know, there's a lot of truths out there that you gotta face. You know, this earth we live on is all built on a level foundation. We are not on a spinning spherical spaceship water world speeding through an infinite vacuum. That's ridiculous. Wholly and entirely ridiculous. The heliocentric model can only exist in space. The space was concocted to contradict the realities, physics, and mechanics of reality on the Earth. The heliocentric model or any of its facets cannot be demonstrated in nature. You can't just live on spherical objects. Okay, that's ridiculous. Everything is built on a level foundation. You put your table, TV, microwave, house, garage, city, neighborhood on a level foundation. Okay, and that's reality, and it's the same for worlds. It's terrible. All those lines streaking through, they spread out into this. They spread out into that. Okay, solar geoengineering is what's going on with the global warming hoax. Okay, it's a hoax to perpetuate this poison they're spraying. And the sun is over there, and it's a blanket of haze. Now I can't wait for Wikipedia to add these clouds and give them a name. You know, that's haze. Okay, that's a blanket of haze. Those aren't cumulus clouds, stratus, and all the bullshit. 10 different types of clouds they got to have now. This is ridiculous. You can see the X's that they spray. That's white haze. Come on, dude. People, wake up. Wake up to the reality that we were made. We were created. Everything on Earth has to be created. That car had to be created. Okay? That car steel cannot evolve fiberglass and these days plastic. They can't evolve into a car. That's ridiculous. Yet, that car there had to be made. It required a thought from matter, and it had to have a plan and a repeated process to make. Yet, you want to tell me that I'm a human being made that car, and none of the stuff I just said was required. No thought, no matter, no plan, no repeated process. I just evolved. I'm superior to that car over there. That car could not have evolved. But being superior to it, its maker, you're telling me I evolved? That two cells in the same swamp, primordial soup, one evolved male, one evolved female, both the same counterparts? That's ridiculous. You know, you think we live in an infinite and expanding vacuum. Well, the Earth, I'm sorry, contrary to say, the Earth proves that a vacuum to exist has to be first contained. Okay, you can't have a vacuum without a container. A vacuum isn't just the absence of atmosphere. You have to have a container to have that absence. And once contained, it can't expand. That's ridiculous, nor can it be infinite. You people need to start thinking. The lies of science are to promote sun worship. That's why all your alleged planets are named after false pagan gods that all do their orbital worshipful dance around Helios Ra. It's all sun worship. Yeah, you people should research the flat Earth and then get outside and start looking up. We're being sprayed like bugs without cease, without remorse. Good day.